guys, we're here in Isuzu for the 4x4 challenge. About to have a time of our lives with 4x4s. There'll be Ford Rangers, there'll be Hiluxes, there'll be Landtreks, there'll be Amaroks, whatever 4x4 it is, it's gonna be out here. So join us live, like, subscribe. We got sheep in it. We got sheep. Enjoy the content. So like for a car like that, what did you have to change?
So basically your first step is your suspension, most important on a 4x4. That will be the most important part of your setup. Rims, tires, obvious one, look at them, they're crazy. We did the rear bumper, cattle rails, the bar lights on top of the cattle rails and the hunting setup. We did the rock sliders, so come with me. So basically, most important thing about 4x4ing is obviously protecting your vehicle, especially if you drive the thing every day. You really don't want to go and dent and damage your everyday vehicle. So these rock sliders are here and they connect with chassis underneath the bucket. So if there is a stump or a rock in the pathway and you need to get over it, as you can see here, you'll slide on this and you won't damage underneath your vehicle. Then in the front, I've got a really solid toolbox. Pushing down trees, winching other vehicles out, it's imperative. Spotlights for seeing in the night time. We know that the Transcar roads get quite treacherous in the evening, so having that spotlight really does help. Your snorkel for the gravel road. We always see guys complaining about their air filters. Their air filters clog up with soil, dirt, mud, especially on gravel road. This eliminates that problem. So air comes through here, all the way down straight into the motor, clean air. And yeah, just overall better health for your motor with that snorkel on there. How's it guys, this is Diego from Alpha and these are Buckies.
This is 4x4 Adventure. It's the first of its kind. We're starting here in Pasha. The main aim of this one is to go galore in the entire Eastern Cape. We're targeting the entire Eastern Cape. We are so underrated. We are so underrated in this province. The history that we have, everything that entails, the culture that we have, the heritage that we have, it's the one that we want to expose so that people can see it. But we are doing it in a very fashionable way. We are doing it in a very fashionable way. Two rides. We're enjoying. You can see the Alpha guys are here. The Alpha guys are here. The guys from Mount Frey. The back is from that side. The guys from Mount Frey. You can see the owner of the establishment is within us as well. And we appreciate guys. We appreciate everyone. And the next one, we wish everyone can join. The date is out there on the 28th of September 2024. It's gonna be the next one. It's gonna be the next one. Thank you very much. Honorable Mayor, greetings to you. And
good morning to all the participants here, the sponsors that have been mentioned by both speakers.
Nice. Yeah, so we're from East London. We do 4x4 accessories and clothing.
So I want to talk more
The journey began with the convoy heading off-road to the hills and valleys of the Mbashe municipality. This municipality covers areas in the vicinity of Willowvale, Dutour, and Elliotdale. Most roads here are gravel, making it quite fun to drive and an experience for our drivers looking to test out their capabilities.
The new Ranger, the new Toyota, the new Isuzu, their capabilities are there. Not to say you need to mod the thing out for off-roading, but yeah, we had to obviously train and coach and show people what their bakkies are actually able to do.
So, what is a 4x4 vehicle for those who are watching this and possibly hoping to buy one? A 4x4, or alternatively known as a four-wheel drive, is a vehicle where the engine sends power to all four wheels. So you think, but I'm driving, aren't all four wheels powered? Nope, not the case. It's either two at the front or two at the back. But in this case, a complex system is installed to ensure all four wheels have power. Here are some advantages. Four-wheel drives are great for off-roading. They give better traction, it's heavier, improving road grip, and power distribution makes towing heavy loads much easier. Well, for some advantages, there are disadvantages. Number one, heavier means the fuel economy is lessened. 4x4s are more expensive to buy because of the complex system. They take longer braking distances due to the heavier weight. But they're fun, why not?
It is very, very exciting, very nice. Definitely to do something again, like definitely something to do again. Definitely.
Wow, it was very nice. Yo, that journey. As much as my it was.
Oh, boss, I had a good time, dog. Next time, call us early, prepare everything for us. So the last time, thank you so much. Out, boss, from Mount Fred.
What would you like to improve or see better next time?
Indawo kodwa khuphukayo ifuneka yenziwe ndibe nesandla. Ya ingabi travel indlela otherwise izinto bezarayo. Because
the trip was fine, brother. Fine and exciting. You saw the cars that were roaring in, eh?
It was awesome, bro.
Awesome.
Out of this world.
It was a good experience.
And our cars were plowing.
Was cool.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, we're
It was beautiful. Everything was superb.
Yeah, how did you find it? I prefer to. Was great. Was great.
Oh, boss,
I had a great time. I had a great time. Yeah,
friends and all the way from Namfre. Yeah, we had a great time and we're paving a new ground. Hopefully next time we're gonna enjoy more. You know what I'm saying?
Next time we need to do more than today, nah? Yeah, let's show our route.
what is the route, what is the starting point, and then the second point, jalo njalo. Yeah, that's great, guys. Next time we will be here. Peace out, yo, from knowledge.
This journey surely did make us more aware of the raw beauty of the Eastern Cape. There's unexplored territories, the up in the hills, the lows in the valley, but this all doesn't deter to the slow development of rural areas. We hope that with this initiative, we shall give more exposure to such areas and fuel development.